We have here a Singer 404 dash. The other 404 on my channel, I don't remember if that was a plain 404 or what other variations of the 404 were made. But the reason this is getting a threading video is because it has a different style bobbin winder than the other 400 series machines. As you can see, it has a bobbin winder on top instead of down near the hand wheel. So we got our spool pin on the back here. This is a straight stitch machine, and then it has a bobbin winder tension button here on the front near the first thread guide. So unlike the other 400 series, you don't use this thread guide, you use the tension button like other machines with a top mounted winder. And then there's this pull tab to engage the winder. So hand wheel clutch on the end, which, there. And then a pull tab to engage the winder. And this uses the pin for driving the bobbin. So you need to make sure that the bobbin sits nice and engages the pin on the spindle. Alright, for threading this 404 dash machine, even though it's got the top winder here, unlike a lot of the 400 series with the winder over on the vertical tower of the machine here, the front thread's the same. We've got this top thread guide. There's this optional thread straightening spot where this hook comes out and pushes the thread to help reduce tangles. You can skip that if you aren't having any issues, but if you're having some issues with thread tangling, make sure that you get these two steps. And then we're going to come out and around, pull up behind the spring here. There's a thread guide above the tensioner, and then the take-up arm, thread guide left of the tensioner, one at the bottom of the door, and then two guides on the needle bar clamp. And once you're through both guides on the needle bar clamp, the machine threads from the front to the back. Drop in 66 bobbin loading. The 404 dash is a class 66 machine. Drop in bobbin like the 400, 500, some of the 300, like 347 with a metal bobbin case. The bobbin sets in place. As you can see, it's unrolling counterclockwise, and the thread comes in under this hook, slides under the spring for the bobbin case tension, and then gets pulled out across the top of the bobbin case.